is Mark Siemon. I'm with the Plan4Health Boise, and we are working with the City of Boise and the Idaho Public Health Association and the Idaho chapter of the American Planning Association in a project that the City of Boise has dubbed Energize Our Neighborhoods. And we're tying in with the Energize Our Neighborhood project. It's focused on the Vista Neighborhood, which was selected by the City of Boise to sort of promote the livability of the neighborhood. And the Plan4Health project is going to focus on access to healthy, affordable foods. And so what our project is focusing on initially is an assessment of the food environment, access to healthy foods, food culture, food insecurity, knowledge around healthy foods and preparation of healthy foods, and then also just the ability of residents in terms of accessing healthy foods. I think the City of Boise overall is very unique. It's an up-and-coming community. We have one of the highest ratios of refugees in the country in terms of per capita. And so while they're spread out throughout the city, the Vista neighborhood is an older neighborhood. It does have some disparities when we look at average home values, when we look at per capita income, when we look at the proportion of children who are on free or reduced meals. And so it is unique within the City of Boise. And you know, like any neighborhood, they've got some challenges, and what we're hoping to do is work with the residents of the Vista neighborhood and come up with some solutions, some locally based solutions to the challenges around accessing healthy, affordable food so that everybody can live a healthy life. So I was talking earlier with somebody here at the Advocacy and Policy meeting about the importance that public health has recognized about place and where people live, and it's really been one of the focus areas of public health for at least a decade now. And so the ability for people to walk and ride their bikes and use access to healthy, affordable foods and healthy lifestyles is just so critical to promoting health and helping people stay healthy. And so it's been wonderful with the Plan4Health program to be working with the planners from the Idaho chapter of the American Planning Association in recognizing, bringing our two skill sets together and working together and seeing how we can help to increase the livability of this neighborhood and hopefully the entire city, and working out then more even to some of the more rural areas of the states as well. It's a great opportunity for my students to actually go on the ground, look at how we work with planners and with communities to come up with not only, number one, is assess what is some of the issues that are around food access and the environment, the food environment in the community, but then also working with the community and with the Idaho chapter of the American Planning Association around some possible solutions in the City of Boise. And so the students will be going out and working on a survey of the food environment of the Vista neighborhood, and then helping to analyze some of that data, and then actually maybe contributing to the action plan that will be developed from that. And so they're excited to be, they like working on projects where they're actually seeing some impact in the community. The most exciting part of Plan4Health is just the opportunity to work with planning professionals. We don't often get to come together, and this is a great opportunity to work with planning professionals in the City of Boise and actually throughout Idaho, along with some of my other public health colleagues, and to come together and focus on an area that is critical to health and keeping people healthy.